Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Erica and this is Erica's Home Refresh. Here you'll get tons of motivation for cleaning, home projects, and everything in between that makes your life at home cozy and manageable. Tonight I have a to-do list to get through. I do things a lot of times after the girls go to bed because I'm a busy working mom and it seems like the best time for me. I hope you'll clean along with me and listen to the music and get some inspiration to do whatever you need to get done tonight. Now, let's refresh this house. Earlier today, I started this crockpot meal from Michaela at the Crockpot Queen. She doesn't know I've included her recipe in this video, so I hope she likes what she sees. Michaela has a ton of great, quick recipes that she calls busy mom recipes. I know anyone who wants a great, quick, satisfying meal will appreciate her channel. She's kind and sweet, and her southern accent will suck you right in. I'll leave her channel linked in the description box below, as well as the link to her making this recipe. I'm so glad you are all here today and ready to get it all done with me. It seems like people are settling into winter and getting into the groove of what they want or need to do for themselves, their families, and their homes. I hope you're finding time to enjoy the things you love, even the little things.
Speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
This is going to cook for a few hours and then I'll come back to add in the last few things later. If you're getting value or entertainment from this video today, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and turn the notification bell to all so that you never miss a weekly video.
If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
Where do you start your cleaning routine? I usually start on the first floor in our kitchen or living room, but I was home all day today and able to keep up with those rooms. So I'm going to start tonight by putting away the toys in our master bedroom before I fold laundry and change out Lana's clothes for the next size up.
Come out and play. It's Saturday, and I promise I'll love you much better now. The sour taste will wash away, 'cause I promise I'm better now. Wouldn't hold it against you if you say that you don't wanna get close.
actually built this bookcase. He's quite handy. I helped him, sort of. I held down the wood and handed him things. We have a van for the kids now, but we used to do this thing where we would buy stuff before making sure it fit in the car, and the wood for this bookcase was no exception.
Don't wanna get close to me, close to what we used to be, but I just feel like dancing. Are you feeling it too? Oh baby, won't you love me? Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Love me like yesterday. Don't you feel it? How it feels, babe. Won't you love me the old kind of new way? Old kind of new. Tell me you're feeling it too, babe. And love me like yesterday. Old kind of new. Another season.
I know towels seem to be the easiest thing to wash, fold, and put away, but they're not always my favorite because when I wash towels, that means I'm behind on clothes laundry. So tonight I had to do extra washing and I'm folding 2 loads instead of 1. Hopefully it's lots of folding motivation for you.
No, I need peace of mind. Where are you now? Even though I won't believe it, the truth is a lie. We are healing. Even though words are deceiving, you move on. 'Cause every time I try, yeah, every time I dream, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. If you can make me smile, if only for a while, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. Believe in you and me. I'm all alone down the steady road, just full of thoughts about to explode. Facing the night, even though I won't believe it, the truth is the light. We are healing, even though words are deceiving. You move on.
I saw you from across the room.
The food turned out great. You can use it in so many ways with so many toppings, but tonight I'm putting it on a flour tortilla with cheese, salsa, and sour cream. I also plan on using this meat with corn tortillas, over rice, and to make quesadillas.
I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to. You had me at hello, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You can ride all the blue. I wanna do what you want to.
We can leave and run away someday, someday. I've been saving.
I don't try to do very much organizing while the girls are awake, so when I change out their clothes for the next size up, I take the drawers out of their dressers and take them to another room overnight to work on them after they're in bed.
'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and sit in you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're at a tight end.
into your blue eyes. We don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too. I've been saving you, and you save me too.
These drawers are Lana's, so I'm going through Elsie's old clothes to see what will work. I'm checking the tags to see what size each piece is because there were 2 sizes in this bag. Some of these clothes are a little big but will work for spring, so I'm putting them in the bottom drawer, and I'll put the clothes that work right now in her top drawer. I'm also going to make a list of clothes that I need to order to make her wardrobe complete with what I already have. Thank you so much for being here today. I hope you got a good start on your to-do list or found a little inspiration for later. I'll see you next time. Bye.